This home here, this test by Mellon Homes, is using radiant heating, and it's something that's getting quite a lot of noise and buzz in the sector. It's really quite interesting, and it's certainly piqued the interest of myself and Hannah as a real option for this net zero, getting off gas challenge, and I think it's going to be quite exciting, and we're going to be following it. So should we go in and have a look and see what it's like? So this pilot is being run by Mellon Homes as a showcase and a demo, so people can come and see it and feel the difference and the benefits. And it's been tested, it's running against a heat pump next door. Really impressed with what Mellon are doing here in terms of scientific testing. And we're in a place of innovation with net zero, but we've got to make sure it's the right technology, the right solutions, and this is quite exciting, and I'm really pleased with how Mellon are see if it's the right thing for their tenants. So their next phase is, I think it's under ORP funded, is to try it in a tenant who's suffering from fuel poverty, really high electric bills, and Mellon are going to work with them, test this out with them to see if this is the right thing for them. I've got some high hopes for it.
And so we're here with Mellon Homes, and they've zoned their room right here into two. So if I stand here under these panels, I can feel the heat coming down from the ceiling. But then if I move over here, then it's still warm. I'm not freezing cold, but it's a little bit cooler than that side of the room. So this is great if you have different preferences or if you want different temperatures in different parts of the home. And here we have what looks like normal paint, but is something better and different. So we have Zenova IP paint. So it's a new technology of paint that's actually supposed to insulate from the inside. And so you don't have to do, you can do, but you don't have to do your outdoor insulation. You can start with the inside with this paint. It's sprayed on, it's thin, it feels like regular paint, and it helps with your energy consumption, and it also has some mold prevention in it. So it's a new kind of paint that works for you rather than your just run-of-the-mill smelly paint that doesn't do anything.
So we're in a typical flat, and no big surprise, classic radiator. And as you know, the issue of radiators is trying to heat the whole room, furniture in the way and things like this. And it's worked for us for some, but this is something different. If we look up, we have radiant heating. Obviously this hasn't been plastered over or anything like that. It's just the install at the moment. And what this does is it brings heat downwards.
David also should have mentioned that this won't look like this in the finishing product. It'll be plastered over with whatever color, white plaster, and look just like a normal ceiling. So it will not look this way.
So follow this, follow us, TPAS. We'll be following this project, and we'll be keeping you informed on this subject. There's a lot of interesting things out here, and I think this is one of the exciting things to go into the mix.